Hey everyone, hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is not a skincare routine sort of a video, okay? I've been trying out a couple of skincare products from a famous South Korean brand and I've been trying out their products from past couple of weeks. So today I will let you know what are my thoughts on these products. Now the brand is called Some by Me and it's a famous South Korean skincare brand. Korean brand Some by Me offers a wide range of cosmetics and skincare products. The words something and by a miracle were combined with me, which means beauty in Korean, to create the brand name Some by Me. All Some by Me products are made in Korea and they are free from parabens and alcohols. Now I have noticed some of their products are fragrance free and some contain a little amount of fragrance to it, which I am not bothered about. But if for someone who is allergic to fragrances or who don't like including fragrances in their skincare products, it's my job. So yeah, I just wanted to put it there. Now I have heard so much good things about their Retinol Intense range. These are, I guess, their best selling products, so I had to try these two products out. So let's get started with the product I was super excited about, and it's their Retinol Eye Cream. So this is Some by Me Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream with retinol 0.1% and retinol 1 ppm. Now this is dermatologically tested and it comes with 30 ml of product, which is a lot when it comes to an eye cream. This brightens your under eye area, it reduces dark circles, it contains hyaluronic acid and panthenol, which hydrates and plumps your under eye area. This targets signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet. This reduces hyperpigmentation around your eye area. It provides your eyes that young, youthful look. And after using it for a couple of weeks, I have noticed that my under eye area doesn't look as tired as it used to be. Coming to this Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. This contains 0.1% retinol, 1 ppm retinol and 5000 ppm bakuchiol. This is non-comedogenic tested, dermatologically tested. Now they say this is a highly effective but not aggressive retinol serum formulated with retinol and bakuchiol that smoothens skin texture and visibly reduces pores. Now this is how the packaging looks like. I quite like the texture of the serum as well. It's very lightweight. I apply it at night. This is something I don't use every single day. I just use it twice a week at night. Now if you have sensitive skin, sagging skin, or if you have rough texture on your skin, definitely try this particular serum out. Honestly speaking, I've been trying this serum out from past 2 to 3 weeks. I know retinol takes a lot of time, but I have tried so many retinol serums. This is the best retinol serum I have tried so far. It's a lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy formula that provides intense moisturization. It doesn't clog your pores or it doesn't leave any oily residue. What I do is I just tap it into my skin. Do not rub your retinol products, okay? And if you are using any retinol product, just ignore applying any other active ingredients like salicylic acid, AHA, BHA. You don't even need a niacinamide the day you are using a retinol. So I just use a face wash, then I go on with the retinol serum, the eye cream. Sometimes I use a moisturizer, sometimes I don't. Just use 2 to 3 drops and it's more than enough. I hope you guys can see how much glow it gives. This doesn't contain any harsh ingredient that's going to cause harm to your skin. So even if you are a beginner, you can try this one out. And especially if you have sensitive skin just like me, give this one a shot. You guys know how much I love incorporating niacinamide in my skincare routine, so I had to try their niacinamide serum. So I got their Yuja Niacin Anti-Blemish Serum with Yuja extract 83% and 10% of niacinamide. Now they say this is a serum containing 10% of niacinamide and Yuja extracts that intensively cares for dark spots, after trouble, and helps brighten up dull skin tone. Now this deals with your dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation. It brightens up your skin and it gives you so much glow. Your skin literally looks like glass skin if you start using it. Now you guys can see I have a lot of acne scars right here because I was breaking out like crazy. But whatever you are seeing on my skin, this is pure glow, okay? It's not oily, not greasy. It is just pure glow. Now, this brightens and hydrates your skin. It also prevents your skin from getting future dark spots and hyperpigmentation. This contains 12 vitamin complex that revitalizes and combats dullness. Now, this is a very lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy formulation. It just absorbs into the skin in a minute. It just brightens up your skin and gives you a radiant, dewy complexion. This is free from any artificial color and fragrances, and I would say if you have sensitive skin, still you can try this one out. And if you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, blemishes, or if you have dull skin or melasma, and if you are someone like me who love incorporating niacinamide in their skincare routine, definitely try this particular serum out. You are gonna love it. Now let's talk about this Some by Me Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Starter Kit. This contains black snail mucin, Truecica and allantoin. Now, as I've already invested in 3 full-size products, so I decided to get this mini kit. It comes with 4 different products. So if I like this one, I thought I would get the bigger size. Now, this kit is so handy. It's travel friendly. This kit contains a cleanser, a toner, a serum and a cream. This contains all of the products that you need in a skincare routine, from cleanser to a cream. Each step contains black snail extracts and Truecica to soothe and strengthen your skin barrier. This slightly acidic gel cleanser removes impurities and makes your skin moisturized and protected throughout the day. This brightening and balancing toner brightens up your skin and balances your skin pH level. This serum gently exfoliates as well as soothes and moisturizes your skin. And lastly, this intensive relief cream delivers a powerful dose of snail Truecica to calm the irritation and strengthen your skin barrier. Wow guys, look at my skin. I am so in love, and I would highly recommend you to try this particular range out because it gives so much glow to the skin, but it's not oily or greasy, and it just gives you glass-like effect. By the way, did I tell you guys that these products are available on Blemish, and I have got them from their official website only. Whether it's hyperpigmentation, dull skin, rough skin, you have damaged skin barrier, you have rough and bumpy skin, you have acne scars and blemishes, or you just have oiliness and sensitive skin, the new Some by Me launches will help with them all. Now let me tell you again, this is a skincare review and not a skincare routine, although you can use this kit as your skincare routine because it contains all of the products that you need in a skincare routine. These are the products I have tried separately, okay? I haven't tried all of them at once. So I use retinol just twice a week, I use niacinamide twice a week, I incorporate salicylic acid at least once or twice a week. That's how I break down my skincare routine. I always use retinol products at night, or if you are using HA BHA product, definitely try to use it at night and definitely top it up with a sunscreen. But these are the products I have tried separately. For example, if you are looking for a good retinol eye cream, definitely try this one out. Or if you are looking for a good retinol serum and you are a beginner, or if you have sensitive skin, definitely try this retinol serum out. Or you can incorporate this too in your skincare routine. Or if you are looking for a good niacinamide serum, then definitely try this particular serum from their range. And if you have a damaged skin barrier, definitely try this particular range out. You can also get the mini ones at first, and if you like them, you can totally go for the bigger bottles. The Yuja Niacin and Retinol lines are also available in mini starter kit, just like this Snail Truecica Miracle Repair starter kit. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.